Hey gamers! The console wars just got flipped upside down. Helldivers 2 is hitting Xbox, and Gears of War is landing on PS5 on the same day. Is this the end of exclusives? Stick with GadInsider to find out. What's good, GadInsider crew? August 26th is about to make gaming history. PlayStation's dropping Helldivers 2 on Xbox Series X and S, and Xbox is bringing Gears of War Reloaded to PS5. Let's dive into this epic cross-platform shakeup. Helldivers 2, the chaotic co-op shooter from Arrowhead Game Studios, has been a PlayStation exclusive, rallying squads to defend Super Earth with intense teamwork-based battles. Now, for the first time, Xbox Series X and S players can join the fight on August 26th. Sony's move to bring this fan favorite to Xbox shows they're ready to break down platform barriers. Get ready for bug blasting, team shouting chaos on Xbox. This is huge. On the flip side, Xbox is sharing the love with Gears of War Reloaded, a gritty reimagining of the iconic cover-based shooter that's defined the Xbox brand for nearly 2 decades. PS5 players, get ready to wield that chainsaw gun and dive into the bloody, action-packed world of Gears on August 26th. This is the first time PlayStation fans will experience the franchise's signature intensity. Xbox is opening the gates, and it's a game changer. For years, the console wars, PS2 versus Xbox, PS5 versus Xbox Series X, have been all about exclusives. But times are changing. Xbox has already brought titles like Forza Horizon 5 to other platforms, and now Sony's jumping in with Helldivers 2 on Xbox. This cross-platform move is a massive milestone, signaling a shift away from exclusivity battles. Could this mean more games for everyone, no matter the console? It's a bold new era for gaming, and we're here for it. Mark your calendars. August 26th is when Helldivers 2 hits Xbox Series X and S, and Gears of War Reloaded lands on PS5. Whether you're Team PlayStation or Xbox, this is your chance to play these iconic titles on new platforms. Future of gaming is looking wide open. That's the scoop on this epic cross-platform drop. Are you hyped for Helldivers 2 on Xbox or Gears on PS5? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more gaming news.